If you were smart, I assume that this would be a smart thing to do. What should you do with this?
Give it to my husband and see what he likes, and then we can work together to
Yeah.
fill each other's buckets.
I was expecting you just to say, leave it and give it to my husband.
See, it seems to me that if I wanted this to if I wanted fulfillment, if I wanted this, I would want everybody I'm with to know that's how you can satisfy me. And that's not an egotistical or a bad way to, love is so part of us. I mean, it's one of our basic needs. We can't do without it. And if we can get it met in the way that feels the best for us, we have nailed it, I think. And so, yeah, I would give it to my people in my family or my favorite people. Yeah. I know my son, for example, who's 11, I know for sure, right now, this is his thing. He loves to be touched, and he loves to hug, and he loves to, and that's all we have to do with him. Is he couldn't care less about a new jazz shirt or a new, I mean, he's like, oh yeah, that's great. But if we've learned that about him, and so that's what we focus on when he's feeling a little low. We just, come here. You know what I mean? And that's what I think we should do with the people in our world, is let them know. And yeah, have them do and there's a reference on the first page where you can find this. I have a few extra here if you want, but have them fill it out. Have the people in your world fill it out. But let them know, this is according to today anyway, this of these 5 is the 1 or 2 that if you want to really fill my bucket, do this. And you don't need to do that other thing. I think that's the most. Now, my wife will say, it's all of them. So I can't. She keeps telling me it's all of them. And so I have to keep still giving her stuff. It's the one I like the least.
We avoid the unspoken expectations building up inside.
I think you're so right.
Because that's what breaks down relationships, is we expect.
Say that again. Hold it. I want everyone to hear this, because that's a perfect summary.
We avoid unspoken expectations in our lives, in our relationships. And I'm going to go to you because we had a conversation, Kenny, the other day. Our spouses, our boyfriends, our significant others, whoever they are, we expect them to do things, especially in young marriages. They have no clue
Right.
what you expect.
Right.
So they hurt your feelings or they don't feel your needs because they have no idea they're supposed to. And especially, again, in young marriages, young wives expect that the husbands know what they're supposed to do, and it's not including playing video games. And the husband expects she's supposed to do her wifely duties, and she has no idea what those are.
Yeah.
Because we don't speak about what we expect.
Right.
Or what fills our own tank.
Yeah.
This is super important.
That's a
especially
perfect
in-
summary. And I mean, all of our kids, we've given that book to. We give them the money book by, what's the guy's name on the radio?
Dave Ramsey.
Dave Ramsey. We give them that book, which I highly recommend. And we give them this book. So all of our kids who are adults, 18 and up. And we say, okay, we don't know very much, but these guys are smart.
There's one that's written for kids, the 503.
Is there really? I didn't know that.
It's really good because it focuses on how you figure out children and what their love languages are. And my kids, and there's one for teenagers, have your teenagers read it, because then
Interesting.
their relationships with their friends are a lot less rocky.
I think-
Teenagers' relationships aren't rocky.
Yeah, there's no way getting around it. But I don't know about, I mean, if I were 16 or 15 or 14 and trying to figure out, and I knew this, oh, what a gold mine this would have been. Getting through all of the mistakes I made.